What's up guys? Today I will be unboxing this GAN Megaminx. So let's just get right into it. $58 when I bought it. So let's just get this thing opened. Wow, look how that, of course it unboxes like this. It's beautiful.
That must have been like $15.
So, in the accessories box we have feels different. It's a GAN bag. And then we have tension nuts, very valuable. Credit card. Ooh, look at that. That looks beautiful. It's a big manual. That out of the way, let's get to the main attraction. Here it is. Wow. It's very tiny, very, very tiny.
One eternity later.
That first turns. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh my gosh. This is, oh my. Oh. Okay, this is my new main. This thing is insanely tiny. What? I thought it'd be way bigger. Look, this is the YJ. Here we go! Sorry about that. YJ, Yoo-hoo, and this is the GAN. Look at the comparison. This is so much smaller. Look, it's like, it's so small. This is very light, of course, GAN, making light cubes. But this is so small. Like, dude, it's just insanely small. Definitely worth $50.
Wow.
It has little indents, as you can see. It's kind of like the,
A few moments later.
UV coated YS3M. It kind of feels the same a little bit, but this one has like little, like your finger goes and then it goes down, you know, like a dip, you know. It's like dips on the corners, not so much on the. It looks beautiful. Gosh, yeah, definitely worth the price. The magnet feeling is there, like the magnet feeling is there completely. I'm gonna be breaking some PBs on this. All right, let's look at the customization. Really easy to get into, which is always a plus. But if I can know how to get...
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Okay, we got it. So inside the cap is a nice adjustment system, which is where you can adjust the tension by using these nuts, and you can put these nuts in here. Bruh. And then yeah, so you basically take it out, undo this, and come on. Anyways, you would put some of these into the center of all 12, and it'd give it a different, tighter feeling. So this cube is very loose off the bat, as you can see in the insides. It's a little hard to see, but it's very loose. Oh. Okay. While I'm at it, these are the corners. They have 3 magnets, which is obviously insane. And the cap kind of goes out pretty far. So, and the edges, they also go out very far. There's 2 magnets on each one. There's a lot of magnets in this thing, and it kind of has a sharp edge, as you just saw. But putting these in will be no problem since it's very loose. Just like that. So, yeah, this is what I want in a Megaminx. Definitely worth the price. You guys should definitely get it. And I know I say that in a lot of my reviews, but when it comes to this guy, you know that it's a GAN and it's gonna be worth it. They want you to make you feel like you paid for what you got. And I feel like I did. I paid for this and a bunch of packaging. Yeah, and I'll be able to store this in here, which I love because I always put my YS3M in this box. And when you do that, it kind of just comes out the bottom. So this will be an amazing upgrade. Just put it in like so. So that'll be it for this video. I love the colors, by the way, on this. It's absolutely amazing. And I appreciate you guys sticking all the way to the end. If you'd like to see the YJ Yoo-Hoo Megaminx unboxing, it's right here. And this is a video that I think you'd also like right here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.